Hello, this is John from caveofprogramming.com. This is a beginner's tutorial for Java, and we're going to be creating a Hello World Java program in this, which is the free Eclipse integrated development environment for Java. I'm going to assume that you've already installed the JDK, the JRE, and Eclipse itself. Go to the workbench, which is where we'll do our work appropriately enough, and go to File, New Java Project, and give your project a name. I'm going to call this Tutorial 1, but you can call it anything you like. Click Next, and we can accept the defaults again on this screen. Click Finish, and now we've got this tutorial folder here, and you can see that you've got the Java system libraries included, and you've got this empty source folder. If you right click on the project folder, you can then go to New Class, and we need a class here that will be the only class that our Hello World program contains. And you can call it anything you like, but I'm going to call it application. And here you can see a box which you can tick to get Eclipse to create a main method for you. That will be the actual starting point of our program, the entry point. And you need to have one of these in every program that you create somewhere. So I'll tick this box just to save us a bit of typing, and then click Finish. And now we've got our class. It's called Application, and we've got a main method, a standard main method, which every program has, and which will fire off your program code. If you look at this stuff, this is just a Java comment. This is actually formatted for the java.doc program, but you don't need to worry about that. Just get rid of it for the moment. And I'll get rid of this comment as well, just by hitting the back key. And here I'm going to type sysout and press Control Space, and Eclipse auto completes, and you can see here I've got a println method, which is Java's way of writing to the console. In there I'm going to type two speech marks, so double quotes. What is going on with my computer? Okay, there we go. And I'll just put some text in there, Hello World, which is traditional. And this blank line under there I'm going to get rid of by selecting it and pressing Ctrl D, which is a handy shortcut. And this is a finished Java program, and I can run it by clicking the Run button, this green button here. Eclipse might ask you if you want to save your files, and of course say yes. And then you can see the output down here, Hello World. If this is your first Java program, then congratulations, you are now a Java programmer, and I hope you find this useful. You can find more tutorials and information on caveofprogramming.com, and until the next tutorial, happy coding!